everyone, my name is Kim and I'm the happiest cook. Well, it's Oscar time again, and so for our bit of trivia, did you know that the first Academy Awards were held in 1929, hosted by Douglas Fairbanks? That's like 90 some odd years ago. Long time. Well, fun food, a little bit fancy, is on the menu for the Oscars here at our house. We love poppers. And I know there's all kinds you can make, but tonight we're making them a bit fancy with just a few extra ingredients. They are great with everything, as a main star of the evening or just as an appetizer. I have all my things gathered up, and like I always say, let's get cooking. Okay, so here we are at the counter. I did one of our jalapenos already and got it cut up. Kind of wanted you to see the process. These are really beautiful poppers, jalapenos, and I am quartering them and seeding them. So what I'm doing is I'm just cutting off the two ends, just like that. Then I find the easiest way is to take a spoon and then it just takes everything that you don't want out. The thing about poppers, or not poppers, but jalapenos, is you want to be really careful that these seeds are the hot part. So we want to get all the seeds. Let's see if I can turn this like that. And I wear gloves because I had a very bad experience and got some of the juice from these lovely little veggies in my eye, and wasn't fun. So I prefer to wear gloves when I handle peppers like this. So there we go. I have two more to go. We'll get those done now. Okay, so now we have our peppers all cleaned. I'm going to go ahead and rinse off my board and get all the seeds off, and then we'll start assembling our poppers. All right, so I am working on these poppers, and the first thing I discovered was my shrimp were not big enough to hold the cheese because the cheese needs to stay inside the shrimp. So we improvised and we shortened the cheese just a little bit, and we shortened the peppers a little bit. Then we wrapped them, and I am going to skewer them with a little toothpick like this. But this is one, and this is just a cookie sheet lined up with foil, and I sprayed it lightly with olive oil non-stick. And I will show you how we did this. This is my shrimp. See all my shrimps? They're all cleaned, and they come pretty much already butterflied, but not totally. So we're going to use a very sharp knife and lay our shrimp out like that. If that isn't a labor of love, I don't know what is. It can get slippery, gets messy, nothing actually ever goes the way you plan, but they're all in. We have a tablespoon of honey, a tablespoon of sriracha, and a quick shake of crushed red pepper. We're gonna mix this up. And then we're going to take our little pastry brush and we're just gonna kind of dot this on. Okay, and our poppers are ready for the oven. We're going to put them in the oven at 375 degrees for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. We're going to watch them, and you'll know they're done when the bacon is crispy. They'll be smelling, oh, they're going to be wonderful. So I'm going to put them in, and I will see you back at the counter when I pull them out. All right, our shrimp are done. Aren't they beautiful? I just think they're perfect party food. I really had a good time cooking with you, and I hope you'll join us again here on The Happiest Cook. And please remember to like, share. What else is there? Like, share, subscribe. All those fun things. Please do that for us. We'd really appreciate it. And I'll see you next time here on The Happiest Cook.